BCA Hub video series brings together the latest video tech tips on wheel hubs, bearings, and seals, featuring the experts you trust. Brought to you by BCA Bearings by NTN. Learn more at bcabearings.com.
If you see a bolt like this at the center of a hub, you may have found a face spline hub. These can be found on BMW Mini and other European applications. Because of the design of the face spline wheel hubs, they do not use a traditional hardware or wheel hub installation procedures. Since it is a Gen 3 wheel hub, it has an integral mounting flange that secures the hub to the knuckle with mounting bolts. Face spline hubs then use an axle bolt that passes through the center of the hub to secure the axle shaft, providing the clamping force that keeps the axle shaft splines securely mated with the wheel hub splines. Since the splines on the axle shaft mate vertically to the splines on the interface of the wheel hub, it is critical to make sure the splines are properly aligned and mated before tightening the fastener to the proper torque specification. The CV axle needs to be guided towards the inward face of the wheel hub until the splines are engaged. Then the drive shaft must be held in place while the bolt is hand tightened. To help keep the axle and hub splines engaged, the axle bolt is equipped with a compression spring that holds tension on the mating surfaces and keeps them aligned. The axle bolt will also have an O-ring, which helps to retain the spring prior to installation. Once the axle bolt is secured, you can torque the bolt down to the proper torque specification. These face spline hubs also have a rolled closure design, which means the bearing preload is set to the proper specification from the factory. But using the proper axle torque spec on the axle bolt is still critical, even more so with the face spline hub design. In this design, the axle bolt serves not only to retain the axle shaft, but also to keep the wheel hub and axle shaft splines securely engaged. Failure to properly torque the axle bolt is asking for an expensive comeback, which could call for the replacement of the hub unit and even the axle if the splines are damaged or stripped from improper engagement. If the splines come completely disengaged from each other, the vehicle will lose the ability to drive altogether and will produce some alarming noises. Definitely not something a customer wants to experience. Never use an impact wrench or other power tools to tighten or torque an axle nut bolt. Hand tools and properly calibrated torque wrench should always be used to properly install a wheel hub. This design change also impacts the design of the axle. The axle will have spline faces to match the splines on the wheel hub instead of the usual splined end. This shortens the overall length of the axle shaft, making it easier to separate from the wheel hub and disassemble, as well as facilitate an easier axle installation. Keep an eye out for these face spline hubs, and regardless of what type of wheel hub you are replacing, always follow the OE procedure and use premium components like BCA Bearings by NTN, engineered for precision and durability. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.